our backtesting strategy and our backtesting video on this backtesting strategy, smart money concept. Yeah, with some little supply and demand. But first and foremost is we go to H1 and we find our bias. On H1 you can clearly see that the market is moving up. You can clearly see it. So after understanding that the market is moving up, then we're looking for buys on external structure, right? And if you see here, this was one of our last break of structure to the upside, and then have another break of structure to the upside, and clearly you can see that this is our order block. Clearly you had a clean reaction from here and a clean sweep from the downside. Then if you go down to internal structure on 15 minutes, you can clearly see that one candle, two candle, and a break. Then clearly you can see here, I had a tap, then a continuation to the upside. Then you have to wait for London open. Very good. Need to wait for London open. London open, yeah. Then London opens from there. You can clearly see that this was disrespected. Our order block was disrespected. That means you have to delete this. Then let's check on our, yeah, the market shifted bearish even on external structure. And then this is our first sell order block. You can clearly see the last candle that led to this change of character to the downside. Although you have plenty of liquidity just up here, you can see it. Plenty of liquidity. So you need to wait for our confirmation. Let's check if we had news on that day, 28th of November 2022. Because fundamental is very, very important. You need to be extremely updated about fundamental analysis, because if you're not, then you lose a lot of money. 28. Yeah, we didn't have news. We didn't have news. So we got our confirmation from here. And this was our entry. This is our entry. And of course our stop loss is just here. 20, let's make 23 pips. Then we target this next swing low. Sorry, if you look closely here, we have our break of structure to the downside. And then still have our change of character to the upside. That's why internal structure is very, very important, guys. Let's delete this. And then we continue. Sorry. One, two, three is a good risk to reward. We got tagged in and then the market melted down. At this point, you have to move your stop loss to break even and to take out around like 75% of your profits. Trade management, money management, and even to control emotions, to keep your emotions in check, because if you get some money into your pocket or into your account before even the trade hits ATP, it's a good thing and even helps you. If the price just goes back, you already have some money in your pockets. Hit our first take profit, you can see it. Then delete this, then you go back to our external structure. And if you see our external structure, you can clearly see that we have our breakout structure to the downside. And then you got 15 minutes to see our last break to buy. This is our sell order block, and you have another sell order block, which is this one. It's okay, good enough. We took out some profits already, and we just have to be patient for the market. This was also our setup. Let's check on 30 minutes for any order block. Here we have here one, have this order block, and you had the order block just around here. And also, if you see 30 minutes clean confirmation, what time is it here? 30 minutes clean confirmation, then 15 minutes. We target the next swing low, tagged in, and the trade. You see, now at this moment you move your stop loss to break even. Right? This moment you just move your stop loss to break even, and at this moment you take out around like 75% profits, then you leave the rest of the profits running, because you can see it can easily come back. It came back, hit our break even, but we already took out 75% of our profits from here, right? And that's it. Hit our take profit, clean 2 trades consecutive. Then you need to clean your trade, you need to clean your chart. It's very, very important, because you don't need that messy trade, just messy charts. Then you have our continuation breakout structure. Then our supply order block was disrespected, and we need to wait for London open. Time is very, very important in this trading strategy. Clean. Need to bring back this trade. Yeah, here. have our breakout structure to the upside. And this now is a buy breaker block, and we got a clean tag, but because of time we couldn't enter that trade because it was seeding session. I don't trade seeding, and this strategy works best in London and New York session, so it's better deleted. Then we had our breakout structure to the upside. Then we had our another breakout structure to the upside. Then this is our order block here, our first order block, and our second order block. We got a clean tag, and the price swept cleanly down. I don't know if on December we had news, December 1st. Let me check. It had news, but late in the evening. But I think this was Chief CPI. It really affects GBP, GPY, and GBP pairs. Then you got our entry here with our confirmation, but our first target of liquidity was already set. So we had just to be patient with our continuation breakout structure to the upside. And then you had our order block. And one of the most important things is to be patient. You don't have just to put in trades, just trying to trade each and every pair, to trade each and every move. No, you have to be patient and wait for the price to come to you. It's very, very important. It's very, very, very important. And sometimes it will save you a lot of money, time and energy. So the market went up because it had news. December 1st. I think December 2nd also had news. Yeah, we had NFP. So I don't want to trade during NFP. I want to trade during NFP. Continuation breakout structure. I don't trade during NFP. I don't even trade during NFP unless I'm trading fundamental, not this technical strategy. No. Then I need to go deep into details, news, research. Then I try to put some money on it. It's more of guessing, but it's fine as long as you make money. Then Tuesday come, had our breakout structure to the upside. Had order block just here. Although I don't think it's strong enough to hold this, but we're gonna see what should happen. Let's just try to play this price and see. Yeah. We need to see this confirmation. 30 minutes confirmation. Yeah, it was a clean confirmation. I don't think I had news on Tuesday. Because on Monday, when was this? 6. Yeah, Tuesday. We didn't have news. And that's my entry confirmation. Clean confirmation from here. And I had to target this because liquidity was already swept, right? Yeah. Then I had to target here. Let's see what really happens. The market just went up, came back, tagged me in, and then came back to our break even, then stop loss. That's it. And one of the most important thing is trade management. Let's assume, like here, you get tagged in and the price moves up to around 80 pips. Automatically you just have to move your stop loss to break even, and then you take out 70 to 55% of your profits. That's it. It's very, very simple. You don't need to hold the trade hoping that it will go up to here. Sometimes the price and the market, they have different ideas about the price reaction. Okay. Then what time is it? Because you can see it was already late. The moment London session closed, then it melted down. Right? There's no need for you to hold trades because this is not a swing trading strategy. This is a day trading and intraday trading strategy. You just hold the trade within the day for some hours within some sessions, right? Okay. Then you have our change of character, internal structure. Need to wait for London to open. Yeah, London opens. Then need to see that 30 minutes candle down. It didn't. Had a break and retest. Break of structure to the upside. And also had our breaker block just here. 30 minutes, clean confirmation, clean entry. And then my entry is here. My stop loss. I want to see that 30 minutes that led to the break, which is this one, and I also take out this one, 25 pips. And you see if you can target this. What time is it? Yeah. London session open. The price did come back. It came back. You can see sometimes you're going to miss such trades like this. The price just few pips to your entry, then it goes up. Then what's the solution? The solution is don't try to be greedy. Don't try to get that sniper entry, right? Don't try to be greedy. And still you can leave out some pips for your block, like spread 0.2 pips, 1 pip max for your broker. It depends on the pair trading, but for you Yugi, they have tight stop loss. no, tight spread story. Okay. Okay, I had our break of structure to the upside. Then break of structure to the upside. And have our demand zone, which is here. Then we have our first 2, 3 here. What time is it? It's already late.